natural health for beginners.
Dive into the world of natural skincare with this step-by-step guide to making anti-aging face cream. Learn how to craft a nourishing, chemical-free product using precise measurements for maximum efficacy. What you'll learn: the essential ingredients for youthful, glowing skin. The exact quantities required for a perfect, smooth consistency. How to combine and preserve your ingredients for long-lasting results. Key ingredients and benefits. Shea Butter, 50 g, provides intense hydration and softens skin. Argan Oil, 30 ml, packed with vitamin E, it boosts elasticity. Aloe Vera Gel, 20 ml, soothes and rejuvenates skin. Rosehip Oil, 10 ml, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and scars. Essential oils, 5 drops each of lavender and frankincense, add anti-aging and calming properties. Vitamin E oil, 5 ml, a natural antioxidant for skin protection. Step-by-step process. Melt base ingredients. Gently melt shea butter in a double boiler. Mix oils. Stir in argan, rosehip, and essential oils. Add aloe vera gel. Blend it in for a creamy texture. Cool and whip. Let the mixture cool, then whip until fluffy. Store. Transfer to an airtight jar for storage. Why watch this video? This tutorial ensures you create a premium face cream tailored to fight aging, enhance skin health, and save money compared to commercial products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes.